Hello and welcome to this new video on how to be popular on Reddit. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon. Now let's get started with the video. So first thing first is you need to open the Reddit. You can open the Reddit in your web browser and you can log in and sign up and do that process and open the Reddit, or you can also download it in your mobile as an application. It is available in both App Store as well as the Play Store. And when you have logged in and starting to use Reddit, then firstly you need to create a great profile. After that there will be an option to create a community. As you see on the left hand side, there is a plus sign to create a community. You just need to create a community and you need to engage with your audience more and more. And on the top right corner there is a plus sign to create post. You need to create more engaging post and you need to be more fun on the post. Your post should be more enjoyable and fun to your audience, and you want more and more engagement. And when you post a great content and your engagement grows, then people will join your community more and more, and gradually you will be able to be popular on the Reddit application. So this is how you can be popular on Reddit. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.